Rudbeckia is an American wildflower that is native to North America, discovered here. There are a couple of dozen different species of Rudbeckia, and we affectionately know these as black-eyed Susan, and they're called so because of the brown centers and those beautiful yellow flowers. Now, these are a member of the daisy family, and they start blooming in the springtime. They're perennial, and they come back year after year from their roots. And they just have beautiful colors of this golden yellow, oranges. New cultivars that have come out have expanded the color palette, but we know it for these beautiful yellow colors. Now, these are a wonderful native plant that pollinators just love, in addition to birds, because they feed on the seeds. So in the fall, when these begin to go dormant, once it starts to get cold, the birds will actually feed on these seeds. So these wonderful native plants add that ecosystem service to our landscape. Now, they don't get too tall. They're about 2 feet in height, and as you can see here, they have that long stem. So that's great for making a cut flower and bringing it indoors so that you can enjoy it as a cut flower. Doesn't have a whole lot of disease, doesn't need a whole lot. It is a native plant, so it can take our climate and conditions. And the National Garden Bureau has actually selected Black-Eyed Susan as their perennial for 2023. A great native selection for the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.